Today we have a quiz on following directions, contractions, and suffixes in our ELA lesson for nouns and friendly letters. Question number 1. Decide whether the following sentences are fact or fiction. Remember, fact it is if it can be proven. So fiction is the fake thing. Fiction is fake. Yesterday, I was walking home from school. I tripped and bruised my knee. When I got home, my mother gave me a hug and a cookie. Would that be a fact or fiction? Question number 2. Decide whether the following sentences are fact or fiction. Remember, fact just can be proven, and fiction is fake or made up. Today, when I was walking home from school, I tripped again, but before my knee hit the sidewalk, an alien swooped down and took me up in his spaceship. We had fun visiting other planets for hours and hours. Fact or fiction? Fiction or fact? Question number 3. Which words show alliteration in the sentence below? Remember, an alliteration, example of alliteration would be Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. It's the repetition of the beginning consonant. So, which would show the alliteration in the sentence below? Here's the sentence below. Our silly young sister Susie is slurping a soda. So, you're going to choose all that apply. Which words? Sister, Susie, soda, young, our, is slurping, silly. Question 4. Read the following riddle and select the best answer. What has roots that nobody sees and is taller than trees? Up it goes, and yet it never grows. A mountain, an ocean, a flower, a tree. It has roots that nobody sees, and it's taller than trees. Up it goes, and yet it never grows. Mountain, an ocean, a flower, a tree. Question number 5. Complete the sentence with the correct word. Be sure to spell it correctly. So this is a contraction. And we did contractions the other day. And if you remember the other day when we did contractions, we took out a letter and we replaced it with an apostrophe. Now the doctor, in the little diagram that we had in the pictures I had in the mini lesson, we took out that letter and we replaced it with a little band-aid, which is like showing the example of the apostrophe. So we're taking the word should not and we are going to turn it into shouldn't. Like I shouldn't be biting my nails. So how would you spell shouldn't? And you're going to be using an apostrophe in that word. You can ask your parents where the apostrophe is on the keyboard to help you spell it correctly, because you're going to spell that word shouldn't in the box. Question number 6. You're going to complete the sentence with the correct word. Be sure to spell it correctly. Again, you're going to type the word in the box and you're going to use an apostrophe. So the word is will, the words are will not, but you have probably never heard the contraction willn't. I willn't do that. So there's another word. It is, we say won't. I won't do that. So you're going to spell won't. And you have to think about what letter you're going to take out in won't and where the apostrophe is going to go. Question 7. Choose the correct answer. A pronoun's job is to take the place of a adjective, noun, or verb. Question number 8. What is the correct pronoun to substitute for the italicized noun? The italicized noun is Jeremy. Jeremy went to the store. What would we use as a pronoun to replace Jeremy? He, they, his. And you're going to use that pronoun choice in the remainder of the sentence. Bought a ball and bat. Question 9. What noun or noun phrase does the italicized pronoun refer to? Robbie and Savannah are cousins. They are related to each other. What noun or noun phrase is represented with the pronoun they? Would it be Robbie and Savannah? Related, cousins. Number 10. What noun or noun phrase does the italicized pronoun refer to? Jennifer dropped her pencil. She asked me to give it to her. What does the pronoun it refer to as the noun? Me, Jennifer, pencil. What did they replace with the pronoun it? Question number 11. Look at the sentence. Check all of the boxes that apply for the type of pronoun that is italicized. The umbrella outside is hers. Is that reciprocal, singular, plural, or possessive? Which is the possessive noun in this sentence? Sometimes they don't like to share their lunch. The possessive pronoun. Remember, possessive means to have ownership. Sometimes they don't like to share their lunch. Lunch. Sometimes. They. Their. Question 13. Replace the italicized word in the sentence with a possessive pronoun. Remember, possessive means to show ownership. The dishes from dinner are Ostella's to wash. His, its, hers, ours. So you are replacing Ostella's with a pronoun to make it make sense. Just so you know, Ostella's was my grandma's name, so that should help you out. Question 14. Choose the correct answer. This doll is blank than the other. Cutest, cuter, cute. So it is comparing this doll to the other doll. Question 15. The air seems blank in the mountains than at home. Freshest, fresh, fresher. So you're comparing the air at home to the air in the mountains.